Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina. Today, we're thrilled to showcase a fantastic trade-in, the 2023 Entegra Qwest 24L, a CARFAX one-owner gem with only 31,000 miles, priced at an unbelievable $114,900. That's $30,000 below NADA retail pricing. This nimble 25-foot Class C RV, built on the iconic Mercedes Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis, delivers the spacious 24L floor plan with a super slide-out, sleeping up to 6 in unparalleled comfort. Adorned with the breathtaking Vision full-body paint package, featuring a silver base, white accents, and bold blue striping, this RV combines luxury and adventure. Powered by a robust Mercedes Benz diesel engine, it's ready to take you anywhere. Join us for a detailed walk-around to uncover every exceptional feature of this incredible deal. Let's kick things off with the exterior, where the 2023 Entegra Qwest 24L shines as a true work of art. The Vision full-body paint package, with its sleek silver base, crisp white accents, and striking blue stripes, gives this RV a modern, head-turning aesthetic that stands out at every campground. Measuring just 25 feet in length, it's compact enough for easy parking and maneuvering, yet its intelligent design maximizes interior space. Built on the heavy-duty Mercedes Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis, this RV offers a smooth, confident ride thanks to Entegra's Easy Drive system, which includes a computer-balanced drive shaft, Hellwig sway bars, and Bilstein shocks for superior handling and stability. The chassis is loaded with premium upgrades like active brake assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign assist, ensuring safety on every journey. The chrome grille package, upgraded LED lighting, rain-sensing wiper system, and leather steering wheel add a touch of sophistication, while heated captain's seats and a smartphone tray with wireless charging make every drive a pleasure. Brand new tires ensure you're road ready, whether you're navigating urban streets or winding mountain roads. The exterior is crafted with premium materials for durability and style. A one-piece seamless fiberglass roof and front cap with a panoramic window and power shade offer a sleek, durable finish. Frameless windows enhance the contemporary look, and the Girard armless patio awning with an LED light strip creates an inviting outdoor oasis, perfect for evening relaxation. The 5,000-pound rear hitch receiver with dual connector and 7-pin plug allows you to tow a small vehicle or trailer, while backup and side view cameras, displayed on the 10.25-inch Mercedes-Benz infotainment center with GPS, make parking and navigating stress-free. The RV's power systems are engineered for efficiency and versatility. It features a 30-amp electrical service, a 1,000-watt inverter, and a transfer switch with reverse polarity protection for seamless power management. A 190-watt solar panel with a dual controller keeps your batteries charged, ideal for sustainable camping. The Truma AquaGo Comfort Plus tankless water heater provides endless hot water for showers or dishes, while the 15,000 BTU air conditioner and 30,000 BTU auto-ignition ducted furnace keep you comfortable in any season. The 12.2-gallon propane tank and LP Quick Connect hookup offer flexibility for extended trips. Optional one-touch automatic hydraulic leveling jacks ensure quick, stable setup at any campsite. And the brochure notes Entegra's industry-leading 2-year limited warranty and 3-year structural warranty, giving you peace of mind as you travel. Step inside, and the 24L floor plan reveals a masterclass in compact luxury. The enormous super slide-out transforms the interior into a spacious haven, with sleeping for up to 6, perfect for families or small groups. The layout features a 60 by 70-inch queen bed in the rear, a large overhead bunk bed above the cab, and a U-shaped 42 by 74-inch dinette that converts into additional sleeping space. The front living room is a welcoming hub, boasting the U-shaped dinette with a 32-inch TV on a swivel mount for flexible viewing. Swivel driver and passenger seats seamlessly connect the cab to the living area, ideal for socializing or relaxing. Keyless cab entry and the 10.25-inch Mercedes Benz infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make navigation and connectivity a breeze. The brochure emphasizes the Qwest's high-intensity LED lighting and ultra-leather furniture, creating an upscale ambiance that feels like a luxury condo on wheels. The full kitchen is a culinary delight, packed with residential-style amenities. You've got a gas, electric refrigerator and freezer, a stainless steel residential sink and faucet, a gas stovetop, and a microwave convection oven, perfect for preparing everything from quick snacks to gourmet meals. Ample pantry storage keeps your supplies organized, and the brochure highlights the solid surface countertops and decorative backsplash, adding elegance and durability to the kitchen. The large private bathroom is a standout, featuring a 32 by 24-inch shower with a skylight, a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan, offering a spa-like experience in a compact space. The rear master bedroom is a cozy retreat with the 60 by 70-inch queen bed, a 32-inch TV, and a wardrobe closet for ample storage. The cab-over bunk bed provides a perfect spot for kids or guests, and the convertible dinette adds versatility for larger groups. This Qwest's premium construction, with a welded tubular aluminum sidewall cage and one-piece crowned fiberglass roof, ensures long-lasting quality. Entegra's attention to detail, like soft-close cabinetry and residential flooring materials, elevates the interior to a level of sophistication rarely seen in Class C RVs. Let's highlight the value of this RV. Priced at $114,900, this 2023 Entegra Qwest 24L is a steal. $30,000 below NADA retail pricing, making it an unbeatable deal for a one-owner RV with just 31,000 miles. The 24L floor plan maximizes space with its super slide-out, sleeping 6 comfortably. The Mercedes Benz diesel engine and Sprinter chassis deliver efficient, reliable performance, while the Onan generator, solar panel, and tankless water heater ensure off-grid capability. Luxury features like the full-body paint package, ultra-leather furniture, and advanced safety systems set this RV apart. Imagine hitting the road in this 2023 Entegra Qwest 24L, exploring national parks, coastal highways, or cozy campgrounds with your family or friends. Picture relaxing in the U-shaped dinette, cooking in the gourmet kitchen, unwinding in the queen bed after a day of adventure, or lounging under the large Girard patio awning reading a book. This RV's compact size makes it easy to drive, yet its spacious interior and premium features offer the comfort of a larger coach. The Vision paint package ensures you travel in style, and the long list of upscale amenities guarantees every trip is unforgettable. As we wrap up this walk around, let's talk about making this RV yours. Priced at just $114,900, this 2023 Entegra Qwest 24L is a rare opportunity to own a luxury Class C RV at wholesale pricing. Give us a call at 864-260-9276, send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. Now let's get you on the road.